Yes, you should absolutely send seasonal plumbing reminders. They help homeowners catch small problems before they turn into expensive emergencies, and they keep your business top of mind throughout the year. Think of your pipes like the veins in your home. When the weather changes, especially in fall and winter, water inside pipes can freeze and expand, and that pressure can crack even sturdy pipes. Most people do not realize that a tiny hairline crack from one freeze can quietly leak for months before it becomes a full-blown flood later on. Seasonal reminders are a chance to prompt homeowners to check things like outdoor hose bibs, sump pumps, and water heater sediment buildup, which most people forget about completely. A neat trick that not many contractors mention is reminding customers to disconnect garden hoses before the first freeze, because a connected hose traps water inside the pipe and dramatically increases the chance of a burst. Sending a friendly reminder by text or email in early fall and again in early spring gives customers just enough notice to schedule an inspection before the busy season hits. This simple habit builds trust, shows customers you care about their home, and often leads to repeat business without you ever having to make a hard sales pitch. One common mistake is sending reminders that are too generic and sound like spam, so try personalizing them with the customer's name and a specific tip related to their home or past service. Another misconception is that reminders only matter in cold climates, but even in warmer areas, heavy summer usage and shifting humidity can cause slab leaks and water heater strain. So reminders are useful nearly everywhere. A lot of contractors also make the mistake of sending reminders only once a year, when spacing them out across 2 or 3 seasons keeps your name fresh without overwhelming anyone's inbox. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.